Imagine paying taxes on your money once, and then never again. Every gain, every dividend, every dollar of growth completely tax-free for the rest of your life. That's not a loophole. That's not reserved for the wealthy. That's exactly what the Roth IRA is designed to do. And in this video, we're going to break down exactly how it works and why it might be the single most powerful wealth building account available to everyday people, and how it can realistically turn consistent, modest contributions into life-changing money over time. What is a Roth IRA? A Roth IRA is a retirement investment account, but let's be clear about something important right away. It is not an investment itself. It's simply the account you open. Think of it like a container. What you put inside that container and how you invest it is up to you. Anyone can open a Roth IRA. This is not an account tied to your employer. A 401k requires going through your job. But a Roth IRA is something you can open independently today, regardless of where you work or even whether you're currently employed. The only requirement is that you have earned income. The process is straightforward. Open the account, deposit money, invest that money, and let it grow. Roth IRA versus traditional IRA. What's the difference? This is where a lot of people get confused, so let's make it simple. With a Roth IRA, you contribute money that's already been taxed, your normal take-home pay. That money goes into the account, grows over time, and when you withdraw it in retirement, you pay zero taxes. Not a reduced rate, zero. With a traditional IRA, the opposite is true. Your contributions are tax deductible now, meaning they reduce your taxable income in the current year. But when you withdraw that money in retirement, you pay taxes on it then. So the core trade-off is pay taxes now with the Roth, or pay taxes later with the traditional. For most younger people, especially those in their 20s and early 30s, the Roth tends to win. Here's why. You're likely in a lower tax bracket now than you'll be later in your career. Paying taxes on your contributions today at a lower rate and then never paying taxes again on decades of growth is a powerful advantage. A simple way to think about it. If you expect to earn more money in the future than you do right now, the Roth IRA is probably the better choice. The contribution limits. For 2026, the annual contribution limit for a Roth IRA is $7,000 if you're under 50. That works out to about $583 per month. A few important things to know. You don't have to max it out to benefit. Partial contributions still compound powerfully over time. Someone investing $3,000 a year starting at 22 will likely end up wealthier than someone investing $7,000 a year starting at 32, because time is the most important variable in compounding. Can you take money out early? This is one of the most misunderstood parts of the Roth IRA, so let's clear it up. Your contributions, the money you personally deposited, can be withdrawn at any time for any reason, with no taxes and no penalties. If you put in $7,000 a year for 10 years, that's $70,000 you can access penalty-free if needed. Your earnings, the growth on top of those contributions, are a different story. To withdraw earnings without penalty, you generally need to be at least 59.5 years old, and your account must have been open for at least 5 years. Pull earnings out before that, and you'll owe taxes, plus a 10% early withdrawal penalty. There are some exceptions: first-time home purchases, certain education expenses, medical hardship. But as a rule, treat the Roth as a long-term account, not a backup checking account. The tax benefits, why this is so powerful. Here's where the Roth IRA really separates itself. Inside a Roth IRA, everything grows tax-free. Investment gains, tax-free. Dividends, tax-free. Capital gains when you sell, tax-free. Compare that to a regular taxable brokerage account. Every time you sell a stock at a profit, you owe capital gains tax. Every dividend payment is taxable income. Those taxes don't just reduce what you keep, they reduce what continues to compound. That's called tax drag. And over 30 or 40 years, it adds up to a staggering amount of lost growth. The Roth IRA eliminates tax drag entirely. Every dollar that would have gone to taxes instead stays in your account, keeps compounding, and keeps growing. For example, if someone invests $6,000 a year from age 22 to age 30, just 8 years of contributions, and then lets that money sit untouched until age 60, the growth can reach hundreds of thousands of dollars. All of it tax-free. That's not a loophole. That's a system working exactly as designed, and it's available to anyone who uses it. One critical mistake to avoid. This is probably the most common Roth IRA mistake, and it costs people years of growth. Opening a Roth IRA and depositing money does not mean your money is invested. The account holds cash until you go in and choose your investments. Many people open the account, transfer money in, and then wonder why it's not growing. It's just sitting there as cash. After depositing, you need to actively select what to invest in. If you want simple, low-effort options that work well long-term, a few solid choices are VOO, tracks the S&P 500, the 500 largest US companies. VTI, the total US stock market index, which includes large, mid, and small cap companies. Target date funds, automatically adjust risk as you approach retirement, requiring virtually no management. Any of these are reasonable starting points. The important thing is that the money gets put to work. Who is the Roth IRA best for? The Roth IRA is particularly powerful for people who are early in their careers, expecting their income to grow over time, and thinking in decades rather than years. If you're young, disciplined, and playing a long game, this account was essentially built for you. It won't make anyone rich overnight, but it will build wealth quietly and consistently, reducing taxes, maximizing compounding, and rewarding patience over time. Most wealthy people don't get there through one big bet or one lucky break. They make smart, consistent decisions over many years and let compounding do the heavy lifting. The Roth IRA is one of the clearest examples of that principle in action. Even at just $7,000 a year, compounded over 30 to 40 years, the numbers become genuinely life-changing, and every dollar of it comes out tax-free. That's why it's called a cheat code. Not because it's a shortcut, but because it quietly stacks the odds in your favor for decades.